got a nice little excavator. It's got auxiliary hydraulics. This thing has new tracks on it. Totally new tracks on both sides. That's not cheap today. Cabin air, 3,529 hours front blade. It operates really well. Sitting here, you can see it starts good. It always starts good. When it's cold, and you start this when it's colder than it is today, you'll hear a little noise in that motor. Now, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's somebody said maybe a little lift pin or something. I don't know. When it's cold, it sounds like it hammers a little bit. I did not hear that today, okay? But just know that. You can see it's running clean. You know, when you first start it, smokes up a little bit, but it's very straight. There's a little ding here in this back where the cat is. Little scratch right there. Those are probably related. But overall, it's got a very good look to it. All right. So it's got like a 10-inch bucket on it, okay? That's the bucket I got with it. So, but the cab itself is clean inside. There's a little place right here where this shield was coming off, it looks like, and they put a weld right here, okay? Instead of getting the right shield on there, they just tacked it. But other than that, there's not much to say. It is very clean, the cab. Got a nice cat seat in it. Really, really good in that aspect. So overall, I think it's a decent machine. I just want, like I said, I just want you guys to know when it is like down below freezing, I did hear a little noise. I do not hear it today, okay? So I'd say it's cold temperature oriented. Just right here, I'm gonna rev it up again. Runs clean. And I don't, this thing doesn't have any, I don't see any leaks or blow by, nothing like that. It's in its work clothes. Never cleaned on it. So, pretty clean machine. Motor sounds good, smooth running outfit. It's pretty clean in here. Like I say, we have not cleaned on this machine. It's just the way it come in.